Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to speed up your computer is processing with a step-by-step guide. If your computer is running low, this video is for you. So let's get started. Step number 1. Clean up your computer. The first step to speeding up your computer processing is to clean up your computer. Over time, your computer can accumulate unnecessary files and programs that slow it down. I recommend it using a tool like CCleaner to remove temporary files and clean up your system. Step number 2. Uninstall unused programs. The next step is to uninstall any program that you no longer use to need. This program can take up valuable resource and slow down your computer's processing speed. To install programs, go to your control panel and select Program and Feature. From there, you can uninstall any unwanted programs. Step number 3. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Many programs start automatically when you turn on your computer, which can slow down your computer's boot time and processing speed. To disable this program, press Ctrl plus Shift plus X to open the Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable any unnecessary programs. Step number 4. Increase virtual memory. If your computer is running low on memory, it can slow down its processing speed. To increase virtual memory, go to your System Properties, select Advanced System Settings, and then Settings under the Performance tab. From there, select Advanced and change the virtual memory setting. Step number 5. Upgrade hardware. If your computer is still running slow after trying these steps, you may need to upgrade your hardware. Consider upgrading your RAM, hard drive, or processor to improve your computer processing speed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to speed up your computer processing and enjoy a faster, more efficient computer. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.